everybody. Now we're going to work on part 2. Let's see. Angle, we know that these are vertical, so we know angle 3 is equal to 65 degrees. So angle 3 is 65 degrees. And we know that these two are supplementary. So we know 65 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. I want to subtract 65 from both sides. I end up with angle 2 is equal to 115 degrees. And since angle 2 and angle 4 are vertical, it's also 115 degrees. Now we're going to look at the next one. Both of these angles are vertical, so they equal each other. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find x. And so I'm going to go 2x plus 10 is equal to 5x minus 20. We're going to subtract the 2x from both sides. I get 10 is equal to 3x minus 20. Now I'm going to add 20 to both sides. I have 30 is equal to 3x. And now we're going to divide each side by 3 so we can figure out what x is. Divided by 3, divided by 3. So I have x is equal to 10. Okay, so let's see what KL. First, we're going to figure out what is KLM. So this is KLM. It's angle KLM is equal to 5x minus 20. We're going to substitute in the 10. I get 5 times 10 minus 20. I get 50 minus 20. And I get 30. So KLM is 30 degrees. KLN we know is 180 minus 30, so KLN is 150. And JLM is vertical to KLM, and so that's 150 degrees. Okay? Let's do the next one. Draw a diagram showing vertical angles, and I'm going to call them 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to say supplementary angles. Add to 180. And that's angle 1 and angle 2, angle 2 and angle 3, angle 3 and angle 4, angle 4 and angle 1. Those are all supplementary. Okay? Congruent. Angles, we have angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Okay. Let's look at question 8. In the diagram on the right, angle 1 is 90 degrees. So we know because these add up to 180, I have 90 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. So angle 2 is equal to 90. Angle 3 is equal to 90 because they're supplementary, and supplementary to angle 1 is angle 4 is equal to 90. There I go. So let's look on the next page. Are they a linear pair? That means tell whether the pair of angles is a linear pair. So we're going to say that's they add to 180. Are they vertical? That means they're congruent. Or neither. So 1 and 3, neither. 2 and 3, also neither. They do not add to 180. 4 and 5, yes, they add to 180 because they form a straight line. So we call it a linear pair or supplementary. 5 and 8, these are vertical. 4 and 9 are also vertical. Now for the last question, we know that these equal each other because they're vertical. So I have 2y is equal to 7x. And we know that this is 180. So I have 9x plus 20 plus 7x is equal to 180. We're going to combine the like terms. This is 16x plus 20 is equal to 180. We're going to subtract 20 from both sides. I have 16x is equal to 160. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 16. And I end up with x is equal to 10. If x is 10, you want to now plug it in. I have 2y is equal to 7x. So I have 2y is equal to 7 times 10. I have 2y is equal to 70. So I now want to divide both sides by 2, and I get y is equal to 35. And that is our answer.